Today we'll be talking about Advantech iFactory's TPM solution suite. We'll be looking at how we can use TPM to enhance manufacturing OEE. We know that the key to success in transforming for manufacturing towards a digital operations mode is to look at the core technology, leveraging IoT and the data to enhance our productivity. We can see from the past production and experiments in the past few years that there has been a lot of progress and improvements from many different companies adopting this approach. And even though we were recently just exiting the COVID era, many companies reported good success during the COVID years that investing in IoT and digital transformation has been beneficial to their manufacturing operations. We look at how we can leverage these digital technology with our TPM package to maximize your OEE and also to leverage your automation investments.